Learning English can feel difficult, but stories make it easy and relaxing. Today, we will listen to a slow English story for beginners. By the end, you will learn new words, practice speaking, and understand the full story. Stay with us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Stories.
This is a place where you can learn English slowly, naturally, and comfortably.
Today's story is called The Lost Wallet.
It is perfect for beginner English learners.
Listen carefully. At the end, you will learn new words, practice speaking, and try a small challenge.
Ready? Let's begin.
Our story begins with a young man named Daniel.
Daniel lives in a small city. He works in an office.
Every morning, he walks to work.
One morning, Daniel leaves his apartment and walks to a small cafe.
He buys coffee.
He smiles at the cashier.
Then Daniel pays for the coffee with money from his wallet.
He puts the wallet back in his pocket.
Or does he?
Later that day, Daniel reaches into his pocket. His wallet is gone.
Daniel checks his jacket pocket.
Nothing.
He checks his bag.
Nothing.
Daniel feels worried.
Inside the wallet are important things.
His money
His ID card.
and his bank card.
Daniel thinks, "Where is my wallet?"
Daniel walks back to the cafe.
He asks the cashier, "Excuse me, did you see my wallet?"
No, I'm sorry, I did not.
Daniel checks the street,
He looks on the ground.
but the wallet is not there.
Daniel feels sad.
Sometimes life gives us small problems.
But sometimes.
Kind people help us.
In the evening, Daniel returns home.
He opens his door.
And he sees something on the table.
His wallet.
The wallet is there.
Daniel is confused.
Then he sees a small note.
The note says,
I found your wallet on the street. Your address was on your ID card. So I returned it.
"Have a nice day."
Daniel smiles.
Sometimes the world is kind.
This story reminds me of something.
What happened?
One day, I lost my phone on a bus.
Oh no.
Yes, I felt terrible.
Did you find it?
Yes.
Really?
A woman found it and returned it to me.
That's wonderful.
Sometimes small acts of kindness make a big difference.
Today's important words. 1. Wallet. A small place for money. Examples. I lost my wallet. My wallet is black. The wallet is in my bag. He buys a new wallet. She opens her wallet. 2. Pocket. A small space in clothes. Examples. My phone is in my pocket. He checks his pocket. The keys are in her pocket. I keep money in my pocket. My pocket is empty.
3. Lost. When you cannot find something. Examples. I lost my phone. She lost her keys. He lost his wallet. We lost the ticket. They lost the bag. 4. Find. To discover something. Examples. I found a wallet. She found a phone. He found money. We found the keys. They found the dog.
5. Return. To give something back. Examples. I return the book. She returns the wallet. He returns the phone. They return the bag. Please return my pen. Now let's practice speaking.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me.
Did you see my wallet?
I lost it.
Thank you for helping me.
You are very kind.
Great job.
Here are 3 small things you can do today.
1. Say the word wallet 5 times. 2. Write one sentence using the word lost. 3. Practice saying, I found your wallet. These small steps help you learn faster. Thank you for listening to our English story.
If this story helped you, please subscribe.
Write one sentence in the comments. Have you ever lost something?
Or write, I found a wallet.
Practice English every day,
Slowly.
calmly, and confidently.
See you in the next story.